Today, I'll show you how to use Klaviyo's abandoned cart feature for Shopify, a powerful tool to help recover potentially lost sales. This guide will walk you through setting up an automated email flow that engages customers who have left items in their cart without completing the purchase. This not only helps boost your sales, but also enhances customer engagement by providing timely reminders. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. As you log in, you'll notice an array of options on your left-hand navigation menu. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Flows. Flows are essentially automated sequences, and this is where we'll create the magic that prompts your potential customers to come back and complete their purchases. Once you're in the Flows section, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Create Flow. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we initiate the setup for our abandoned cart sequence. After clicking Create Flow, you'll be prompted with a search bar. In this search bar, type Abandoned Cart. This is going to pull up templates specifically designed for users who have added items to their cart but haven't proceeded to checkout. These templates are fantastic as they save you a ton of time by providing a pre-structured flow that you can easily customize to fit your brand's voice and style. Once you've typed Abandoned Cart and found the template, go ahead and select it. At this point, a modal will pop up. This is just a confirmation window asking you to verify the trigger settings. The trigger you need for this flow is Started Checkout, which comes from the Shopify metric. This trigger ensures that the flow is activated whenever a customer begins the checkout process but doesn't finish it. Once you've confirmed that the trigger is correct, click on Create Flow. Before moving further, it's crucial to integrate your Shopify email list into this flow. This ensures that the customers who have initiated checkout on your Shopify store are the ones who receive these follow-ups. Linking your email list to the flow guarantees that your messaging is targeted and relevant. At this point, you've successfully set up the backbone of your abandoned cart email flow. However, remember, the default template is just a starting point. Customization is key to making your emails stand out. Consider personalizing the content with your brand's unique tone, and be sure to include compelling calls to action. Perhaps offer a discount or highlight the benefits of completing the purchase. These small touches can significantly increase the likelihood of a customer returning to complete their transaction. Another tip is to test the flow before going live. This allows you to walk through the customer experience yourself, ensuring everything functions smoothly. It's always better to catch any issues before your customers do. And there you have it. You've now set up an abandoned cart email flow using Klaviyo for your Shopify store. By following these steps, you're on your way to recovering sales that might otherwise be lost. Remember to keep an eye on the performance of your flow and make adjustments as needed to optimize results. This setup not only helps boost your sales, but also strengthens your relationship with customers by providing timely and helpful reminders. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.